Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to ice dye a bodysuit. Well, here it is, guys. Here's the bodysuit after it's been washed and dried, and I really love this color combination. It sort of gives me like a bohemian type vibe. You know, it's tie-dye, but it's not that loud in your face rainbow type of tie-dye. I could really see this with, you know, maybe a skirt and like some little cowboy boots and a little brown hat. I don't know. I really think it turned out great. One thing I want to point out, something to keep in mind whenever you're making shorts or, in this case, you know, a thong type thing, when using browns, reds, yellows, you really want to pay attention to your dye placement. You know what I mean. So what do you guys think about this? Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future notifications. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.